Straighten the doors.
All right.
Which was easy. I put a pry bar in here and I just pushed.
You kidding me?
Nope.
Those things were bent like hell.
You saw how easy they opened up, right?
Opened up, yeah. It's not like...
It doesn't kill you now.
No, it doesn't. And that kind of happens all the time, doesn't it?
All the time.
I don't have to use a...
That's it.
A Jimmy bar. I used to use a big bar and just like...
And pry them up.
And pry them up, yeah. Close the
So
doors.
I did that. Straighten those out. Welded the chain on there.
Nice.
Welded your little hooky on here.
Yes. So now the door's not going to shut when
The
I'm
door's not
dumping
going
it.
to swing open and get all bent up again.
Alright, cool.
Re-welded.
My little invention?
Little... little ramp extensions.
You think it's going to work?
Yeah, we'll hook it up to the truck and I'll run the mower up it.
Alright, sweet.
The mower plus me's got to be at least 1,100 pounds.
1,100?
Yeah, it's got to weigh at least 800-900 pounds. I'm 230. Fix the handle.
That was
The
bad.
handle works.
Okay.
And then the jack. Cut the old jack out, put the new jack in.
Alright, so this, you like re-welded everything here?
Yep. Because the other jack was only a 2-inch.
Yeah.
This is 4-inch.
Okay, so you made it
So
bigger.
I cut it open.
Uh-huh.
I cut it back, notched it out, did a little fine grinding so it's a nice tight fit in here.
Okay.
Slid it all the way in.
Okay.
I had a nice piece of 1/4-inch, heavy flat bar.
Mm-hmm.
Welded it all the way across, welded across here all the way up. Cut a piece of angle iron to support it back here.
Oh, okay, so there's another piece of angle iron in the back. Okay.
That's welded. And then to keep it from bending and twisting, because this is just C-channel,
Yeah.
I went to the front of the tongue,
Oh, okay, so you
welded a piece of angle there, and back to the jack.
Okay. So now it's preventing it going this way.
It should help prevent it from kicking,
Okay.
from twisting like it did.
Okay, that's what happened was because of the
it
C-channel. Right?
twisted back.
Okay.
Here's your owner's manual for your jack.
Oh, nice. I already made it.
So,
Alright.
and you still got room to swing it out.